Hello and welcome to Let's Learn. In today's video, we are going to learn all about the letter J. Let's get started. J is for juice. Juice. J is for jam. Jam. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. J is for jelly. Jelly. J is for jump. Jump. J is for jacket. Jacket. That's all about today. If you found it helpful, please give us a like as it really helps out the channel, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to join the Let's Learn. Thank you for watching. See you the next time. Goodbye.